Hello, wonderful MeteoData family. Welcome to today's episode of our Python tutorial series. There's a very brief tutorial where we try to look at how to get the unduplicated or unique elements within any data set, data set of any data type. So we have an example list here of A containing the elements 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Of course, there are duplicates in there. So in order to get the unique elements, we just make use of the set. So the set method, or the set data type, that's just to convert a to a set. So this gives us the individual unique elements, and of course we can then convert this back to whatever data type we need. Say I'm changing this back to a list as it was originally, and there you have it. And so there's a very simple approach to get the unique elements within any data set. Hope you enjoyed this session. Don't forget to leave your questions, and then the team would respond to you. Let's subscribe if you're new, join the family, and then hope to connect with you again. Bye.